friends, in this video we are going to learn what is the difference between cache clean and cache flush. Every time we have in a mind like what is the difference between cache clean and cache flush. So these are the two commands that we are using. Most probably we are using the cache flush, and somewhere we are not aware of the what is the use of the cache clean. So let's review what is cache clean and cache flush. So first of all, let's review the admin panel. Go to the system. Here we have cache management. In the cache management there is flush cache storage and flush magento cache. These two caches are available. Okay, and here these are the type of caches that are created whenever there is anything we have changes. For the like you can say configurations like various XML, this is basically happens when we go to the store's configuration and do any of changes. So this kind of caches we need to remove. This is related to layouts, blocks, collection data reflection, database changes. Then this will come compiled attribute or anything, this will appear so that we can flush this cache. Page cache, translations cache, and vertex calculation text. These are the uh, cache types that are created by the Magento. So we are on the cache clean and cache flush. Cache clean does not deletes the items which are stored in the cache without the proper tags. Like the cache, you can say the defined caches defined by the Magento, that is deleted. But in the flush cache, if the cache clean does not reflect the changes at the front end, so what we do? We only do the cache flush. So flush cache rubs out every item from the same cache storage. So if the same cache storage is used by the multiple Magento instances or the same databases, all the stored sessions, everything is deleted in the flush cache. But in the cache clean, only the some parts that is deleted, not the full parts. That is the thing. It will not fully clean all the storage, all the cache, everything is not clean on that moment. Only cleaning cache delete all the items that is enabled for the Magento cache types only. Okay, it cleans only the cache that Magento uses. Cache clean cleans only that the Magento uses, and the rest of the cache is not cleaning. In the cache flush, all the storage, everything is deleted from the Magento. So this is the difference between the two commands: when to use the cache clean and when to use the cache flush. So what are the commands for this? So if I go and run the terminal, the command is sudo php bin magento at cache flush or cache clean. This command, see all the cache types. If I put cache flush, see it says clean cache types. This kind of thing, unflushed cache types are config same. Okay, so these are the two commands which we are using for cleaning the cache, and the full the it deletes all the items, all the storage items for the cache flush. So this is the difference that we are using for the cache flush. And the cache clean only deletes the Magento cache types, and for the cache flush it deletes all the storage items, but we have storage sessions, cookies, whatever, it will delete everything in that. So this is the difference, basic main or basic difference. I hope you will clear on the cache clean and the cache flush. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.